Hello friends, welcome to TT Hub Jobs channel. This is Chakradhar. Today we are going to see some of the openings from BPO Convergence company. There are so many openings, 200 plus openings. It's the best chance. All openings are at Hyderabad at their office, which is located in Amirpet. Before going to complete details of these openings, I request you to subscribe if you are not yet done, and press bell symbol so that you will get the notification. As I told you, I'm going to release a video on every day so that you'll get a lot of opening chances. To apply it immediately, better to get a notification. So press bell symbol and as well as subscribe, please. I wish everyone to have best career opportunities on this Krishnashtami. Have a great day. So I request everyone to comment to wish our channel and as well as to wish all the audience of our TT Hub Jobs channel. BPO Convergence is having many openings like customer care associative and as well as telesales marketing and into pharma also outbound calls. There are 200 plus openings coming up. So let us see one by one. Customer care associates openings are there 100 plus openings. Minimum qualification can be intermediate and as well as any graduate, PG, anyone is fine for them, and freshers are experienced in the voice process will be a best choice. Freshers also welcome for this, and as well as working days for this job role will be 6 days a week, and as well as 24/7 shifts will be there now. Shift allotment will happen based on the requirement that will be given a clarity by HR. They required people from English, Hindi, Telugu speaking. If you know the three languages, it will be good. But even if you know the any one of these two languages also, it's fine for them. And your age must be 18 years and below 27 years. If you are comfortable with this kind of voice process, it will be best choice. And offered salary will be 10,500 to 11,500. Apart from this, they have incentives package also and as well as overtime duties also, so that you can earn more amounts based on your comfortability of doing overtime. Next coming positions are telesales and as well as marketing. So if you are comfortable in telesales, telemarketing kind of thing, it will be a very good option from the BPO Convergence. Any graduate is fine for this. Any graduate, PG, MBA of any specialization is fine. And experience, they required a minimum of 1 year experience. Up to 3 years experience is also fine for them. You should be comfortable to speak English, Hindi, Telugu, three languages. Male and as well as female both are comfortable for them, anyone. And salary, if you see, based on, as they are expecting experienced people, based on your present CTC, you can demand. They are open for that. They are ready to offer more salary based on your present CTC in the present company. So, and age must be 20 years to 30 years. And there is another outbound process requirement for B pharmacy candidates. It's the best opportunity for the B pharmacy who are not willing to work in production or else B Pharm companies. So if you want to work in outbound calls process, it will be best opportunity, so that you can opt for this. Male, female both are fine for this. Freshers also welcome. 6 months to 1 year will be best option. English, Hindi, Telugu again. They required three languages of Hindi, English, Telugu. Here they required 18 to 27 years age, and job location will be same, Mirpet. Coming down to salary, 1.44 lakhs per annum they are offering. Outbound pharma and as well as telemarketing, telesales, they want to conduct a telephonic first round as a telephonic round. If they feel comfortable, then they will have client round and all that. So for that reason, you are supposed to submit your resumes or else your details to the HR. So I request you to submit your details to Mr. Vinay HR on 9398520602. On this number you can contact for any queries, and as well as you can submit the resume, or else you can submit the resume on mail ID also, hr.hyderabad@bpoconvergence.com. I am going to provide you all the details of HR and as well as email ID in the description below this video. So please go through that videos. You can utilize that now. And people who are comfortable to go for a walk-in, they are welcome. It will be best choice. From 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. they are calling a walk-in at BPO Convergence, which is located in first floor, Lal Bangla, Amirpet, Hyderabad. So all the best guys. There are so many options. Take a choice. So I request everyone to subscribe my channel again, press bell symbol so that you will get the notifications for further openings coming up from our channel. In many companies there are many openings coming up. I request you to go through this and have a best career. All the best. Have a great day. Thank you.